Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Yahoo Mail. Next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon. Next thing you need to do is to click on Manage Storage Use. Next thing you need to do is to click on Manage. There's going to take you right here. Then here, there's going to take you right here. Here, you can review and delete as many as possible files right here. Also click on this particular point right here. Then this will give you different file formats that you have in your Yahoo Mail. Click on PDF. Whatever you have in PDF, you are going to find them right here. Then if you have any Word documents, click on Word documents. You will see them right here. Swipe this way and check on more files. If you have audio, click on audio files. Then you have audio file right here. Click on video file right here. You have everything right here. So you can delete any one of the email information right here. You can also click by emails, and to take you to all the mails right here that contain large files. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything right here. However, this depends on the type of file you have in your storage in Yahoo. Go back to file right here, then you have everything right here. You can delete as many as possible. For you to delete any file right here, what you need to do is to steer the file. Once you steer them, next thing you want to do is to click on here and steer as many as possible file. Then you have to come to your steer section right here. Click on steered. Then you have all the file that you steer right here. What you need to do is to click on hold down, and this is going to pump up. What you need to do right here is to make sure you click on delete right here. You have successfully deleted. It's that simple. You can also go back and then go back to PDF section. So if you want to delete anything from PDF file that will give you enough storage space, make sure you steer. You can steer as many as possible. Steer. Once you steer, simply go back. Then click on here. The next thing you need to do is to go to your steer. Then you have the two documents right here. Click on hold down. This is going to pump up. You can either delete once or delete all messages from this particular sender. So if you click on delete all messages from this sender, it simply means that all messages that is attached to that particular Yahoo ID, all the messages are going to be deleted from your Yahoo Mail. However, I'm going to simply click on delete right here. Once you click on delete, you can also go back right here and then make sure you check on your trash. Then you still have them right here in your trash. Click on hold down again, and this is going to pump up. What you want to do now is to click on delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete it? Are you sure you want to permanently delete the selected message? Click on OK. You can click on the second one, delete, and hit on OK. It's that simple. You can do this all in all in order to free up more storage space in your Yahoo Mail. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Yahoo on your mobile, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.